Hi guys, this is Tony. Here comes this northbound train. Of course, I'm running off. Here it comes. Guess what? That. Oh man, he gave me a horn. I saw a horn. It wasn't that. It wasn't that loud. Oh, Canadian Pacific boss car. Ha ha ha. No. Yeah. Ha ha ha. You know. Oh, yeah, it's so fun. Oh no, boss car.
Little scissors in there.
Oh, for sure. I'll be checking, you know? Still going though. Oh. Lot. Oh, Fairmax auto right there. Ha ha ha. No. Yeah. I mean, alright for Fairmax.
Yep.
Yeah, that's why I said ha ha to him. This is why I like to say ha ha. I'm recording.
It folks like this, and they go away. See?
Still going.
See it, Tony?
I know, but I said it's still going.
It's still going?
Wow, that's quite a bit, right?
Yep.
Some beer stuff on Rex at the end. Not bad.
Not bad at all. That's a good one. I like the yellow ones in the beginning.
Yep. Alright, there goes our northbound. We'll see how everything else does in time. Well, and we don't have to be at work by 11:15, so we'll see what the heck happens next. Bye.